Hi guys, I'm Lee Hyde and we're going to talk to you today about one of the hottest trends in the drinks world, and that's iced chocolates. So this is going to be a key focus for 2025, and this one's only started popping up in coffee shops maybe about the last 3 or 4 years. Before that it didn't even exist as a category, but it's grown in huge popularity, and we're starting to see some really interesting flavors added to the iced chocolates. So the one we're going to show today is strawberry, made with our strawberry fruit mix. But of course, many other flavors you can use, all the classic coffee or chocolate flavors, from salted caramel, gingerbread, morello cherry if you like that black forest flavor profile. And there's a few different ways of making this iced chocolate as well. The one we're going to do today uses our chocolate frappé powder, which is originally designed for making chocolate frappés, but of course it works really well as a hot chocolate or as an iced chocolate base as well. But feel free to use your regular chocolate powder that you use either at home or in your coffee shop. Okay? And we touched this off with a nice little strawberry cold foam, and you'll see the recipe for that as we go on as well. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to make the strawberry iced chocolate. Now there's a few different ways you can make the iced chocolate. The method we're going to use today is steaming it all together on the steam wand. So in the jug I've already got 150 ml of milk. I use semi-skimmed for this one, but of course if you prefer coconut, oat, your choice. Then I'm going to add 1 scoop, which is about 30 grams of our chocolate frappé powder. That goes in there. And the strawberry fruit mix is a wonderful way of adding the strawberry flavour. You can use the strawberry syrup as well, but this just gives that little bit extra body and texture. Okay, so I've got 20 ml going in there, and then I'm going to go ahead and steam this on the steam wand. Now you only want to steam it just so the ingredients mix together, and then you stop it. You don't want it to get too hot, otherwise it's going to start melting your ice. Okay, so we've got our steamed chocolate strawberry mixture. Now we're going to add ice to the glass. And always remember, you want a nice full glass of ice. That'll do lovely. And we're going to pour. So remember, this is not hot enough that it's going to melt the ice. And we're going to leave a little bit of a gap there to finish this off with a nice strawberry cold foam. Okay, so now we have our strawberry cold foam. Check out our episode on how to make cold foams for more info, but we also have the recipe down below. So now we're going to pour this on top. Go. Finish off with a little dusting of chocolate powder. And there we have it, strawberry iced chocolate. So I hope you guys enjoyed that strawberry iced chocolate. Just wanted to show some of my other favorite flavors for this. Banana is fantastic, and coconut if you're one of those bounty lovers out there. But as I said earlier, plenty of flavors to play around with. But I hope you guys enjoy making iced chocolate, and I'm going to enjoy this one. Cheers!